Join us now as Chadbad and his sidekick Emily chop, grind, and ruin, transforming good street vehicles into pieces of garden art in the Chadbad Garage. Chadbad Garage.
Chadbad Garage.
Chadbad Garage.
Chadbad Garage.
Chadbad Garage.
Hello and welcome to Guess That Sound. Let's play Guess That Sound. Something's really loud, something sounds insane. Let's play Guess That Sound again.
Okay, round 1, let's play. Okay, round 2, let's play.
Nanny Nana Boo Boo.
Okay, round 3, let's play.
Nanny Nana Boo Boo.
Okay, round 4, let's play. Okay, round 5, let's play.
Nanny Nana Boo Boo.
Let's play Guess That Sound. Something's really loud, something sounds insane. Let's play Guess That Sound.
I'm just gonna stick this aside for a second. Right down there for a minute.
You want to zoom right in on that drive shaft?
What the fuck? As for the crybaby.
Let's see that ride. Open the door, come inside to the shed of